Hi everybody, we thought we would jump on and do a craft with you guys. I found a recipe online yesterday how to make homemade clay. And I know my two kids are excited about it. And Juliana is also over here watching us make clay. So the ingredients that you will need are flour, vegetable oil, salt, and food coloring if you want to dye it a different color. So first, I saved the recipe on my phone. That's why I keep looking over here. We need 1 cup of flour. So I can't find my 1 cup measuring cup. So instead of tearing up the kitchen, I just decided to grab the half cup. So we'll have to put 2 half cups in to make 1 cup. So would Josh like to go first?
Yes. That's 1/2.
Wait. It's heaping. Don't make it heaping.
What does that mean?
You have to level it off. There we go.
1.
Good.
2.
Okay, you ready, Kat?
Yes, I'm gonna do it.
That you need that first. We're gonna make 2 batches.
Okay. I did this over here.
You need that.
Need this.
You need the flour. Can I help you?
I want to do it.
Okay. There's 1.
I do
And
it. I want to do it.
Okay. Let's get a little bit more into that cup. 2. Good job. So we put 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Now we're going to do salt. We need 1/4 cups of salt. And I know Catherine is dying to pour the salt in. Do you want to pour it in yourself?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. 1/4 cup salt. Just pouring it in real slowly. Perfection. Now this is what 1/4 looks like. We have not got introduced to fractions yet, but we've seen fractions when we've cooked. 1/4. Now Joshua is going to put 1/4 of salt into his.
Oh. Not that much.
Let's move the flour out of the way. Okay, so now, Joshua, we need 1 teaspoon. Where is the teaspoons? Is that the capital T or the little t?
The little T.
Very good.
This.
Okay, so, since this is so big, can you go get a small cup, small bowl? A bowl would probably be good.
Okay.
The bowl's over there.
I said.
I reorganized the kitchen this last 4 weeks, so everybody's kind of clueless where Mom has stuck everything at.
Sit here. I don't have a tray.
So since my container is so big, I decided to pour it into a small bowl so the kids can get 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil into the 1 teaspoon.
Then your turn, Kat.
And I never got spoons out. Do you want to go grab a spoon so you guys can stir it up a little? Oh, that's enough. Just 1 teaspoon. Yep, that's good. Now we're going to mix it up, and then we'll probably start playing with it to make it tough. Yep.
What about the food coloring?
I would like to mix everything up before we put the food coloring. Let me see. Can I put my hand in here?
Mommy, I bring this to Girl Scout. I bring this
So,
to Girl Scout and
There is, I think it needs water, just with the stuff that we've made, because this is awfully powdery. Don't you agree, Josh?
Yeah.
On the recipe I have, as you see, it doesn't say anything about any wet ingredients except the vegetable oil. I'm thinking we need water. Joshua, can you go get some water?
I'll get some water.
You can go get some water too. Now, this has turned into a science experiment because now we know something isn't right with our,
We need
Solution.
to test the hypothesis.
like Josh said, we need to test our hypothesis because I don't think this is wet enough.
I'll do it.
Or
Just
we
a
could
little.
use more vegetable oil.
We could use more vegetable oil, but I think that would make it a little...
I do it.
Instead of using a spoon, we're going to use our hands.
I do it.
Go ahead.
I want to see what yours turns out to be before I do mine.
Ah, that's good. Joshua is using his brains. He's like, they just experimented on theirs with water. So he wants to see what ours looks like before he puts the water on his so we don't ruin both batches. Which this is starting to
Get filthy.
get filthy. It's starting to get that texture of clay, kind of like Play-Doh.
Ooh, that's a lot.
I might have poured a little too much in, but hey, if it's too wet, we can always add more flour to it.
I like that
We're
feel.
really doing a science experiment now.
I think this feel like. I think this feel like
Kind of feels like Play-Doh,
like pool, like a pool.
like a pool. Oh, because it's kind of wet.
Yeah, so wet. It smells like pool.
I don't think I
Try a
put
little
too much
more oil
water.
on it.
A little bit more oil.
Yeah.
Joshua says maybe try a little bit more oil. So we're going to put a little bit more oil.
You got some on my hand.
It's okay.
Does anybody else have all those kids whining? I know these two have been.
Josh,
I have not.
Oh, no, we're not telling stories on here. Everybody out there has their stories of their own. Can you take your hand out for a second?
I like doing it with you.
I know you do. I just want to get the edges to make sure I get all this.
That's